Hi, welcome to this video day, which is on the 29th of November. It is Friday. Just going to be looking at a swing trading setup today, which we really like in terms of the risk to reward. It is Euro SEK, and we'll go to the charts in a moment. Now, in terms of swing trading techniques, one of the simplest ways of trading the markets is actually to swing trade off big levels of support or resistance in the markets, and just use very simple price action to time your trades. Now, in terms of the SEK, it has had a rally against a number of major currencies. So we've done fundamental analysis on the Swedish krona. It is bearish longer term. It's just had a correction of oversold. Now it's pushed the euro down to a key level. Euro looks a really good buy off the level of support. Let's go and have a look at the trade setup now, and we'll just go through how we're going to trade it. But just before we do go to the charts, just please do keep in mind, it is my view. As of right now, it can of course change in line with the market conditions and action. If you want all our trading techniques, our daily technical sentiment analysis of 14 Forex pairs, you can get limited live access to our member centre on the link beneath this video. Right, we'll look at the weekly chart first, sort of see the big picture and big levels. Then we're going to go to the daily chart, draw levels of entry, stop, and target. Right, we're on the Euro SEK weekly chart to see the big picture, the big levels. There's a big level of support that I'm interested in on this chart. It's there. It's 1050. So basically, where we decisively break above 1050 level there, clear it out, come back, test, up, back to test. Now, if you look at the Euro SEK and you take it even further back to the left, the Euro trend is up. You do get decent retracements along the way. That's just a decent retracement for us in our view. We think, yeah, basically we're going to bounce back up towards the top of the channel. Now, in terms of this trade, just offers a great risk to reward on the daily chart. And yeah, I said it in my intro, the SEK has just had a bounce on many other major currencies, but just a bounce of a severely oversold condition. And we expect the SEK downtrend to come back into play. And obviously in this pair, it's the euro going to be going up on the SEK. So let's go to the daily chart, draw levels of entry, stop, and target. All right, just on Euro SEK daily now, in terms of at the top here. Just written the target down, 1090, which you saw on the weekly chart, from current levels. The percentage change, if we reach target, would be plus 3.8% with no leverage. So that's a really decent return. Yeah, just on a cash basis, obviously with a little bit of leverage in there. Yeah, say 3 to 1, you'd be above 10% in terms of potential reward for this trade. And the risk against the potential reward, in our view, is very, very good. And you'll see that I'm drawing my levels just in a moment, which is going to be now. Sorry. I don't know if I said it. Yeah, previous dips in the euro have been buying opportunities over the last couple of years or so. I think this one is going to be no different. And we have come in to a major level of support, which is the 1050 level. So that weekly chart, we've bounced from the level. Now, in terms of from our perspective, we've already gone long. In terms of from our perspective, the SEK, it's had a bounce against numerous currencies, but that's just the correct oversold. Fundamentals are bearish. I think the euro is now going to reassert itself and move back to the upside. Now we're coming along. I'm just going to give you a more conservative entry in a moment. It's the level through which we'll probably elect to add. We've just come in early because we're pretty confident that this level will hold. Now, in terms of our stop, we're using 47.50, so a little bit clear of the level. You can always see little pokes through the level like you have here. You can see that. Yeah, just pokes through to see if there's any more sellers there. Sometimes pushed through by institutions. You can always get that again. I don't expect it, but we Want to have our stop a little bit back, so it's 10.47.50 back behind the second level here. Now, in terms of a conservative level to come in through, my own view is, if I just draw that in, there is a trajectory. So I'm just getting it straight. There we go. Now what you'll notice is tumble down here, here. This red candle tries to get back up but can't. Come in to test the level. Now we're just below that tail, that body, and that body there. It's got two bodies and a tail. So you just want them cleaned out. So just straight through the double trend line. So you want to be clear of that tail, those two bodies. Yeah, so through the double trend line, then look and see if she'll run to the upside, which hopefully, obviously, we do think she'll do, but you never know. Our target is obviously 10.90, and the risk to reward very, very good. You got basically 4 to 1. Now, my own view is if the euro breaks back up, it should follow through pretty quickly to the upside to get the stop up as well. But for me, yeah, this trade looks really good. You're coming off really good support. It's been tested. No more sellers. Big trend in the SEK is down. Yeah, it looks like well, for us, we like it. It's a good risk to reward long swing trade. We really like also USD SEK as well. Just covered Euro SEK today, just simply because quite a few people asked me about it, more so than USD SEK. But both trades look good, and the SEK's a sell in a few other pairs as well. We'll see how this one goes, but I like the look of it. So that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me as per usual. Take care. Have a good day.